In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename and move a Google Slides presentation into a folder. This can be a useful way to keep your projects organized, especially if you work on multiple presentations frequently. The process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing Google Slides into the search bar, or you can go directly to slides.google.com. Once there, ensure you're logged into your Google account. This is important because your presentations are linked to your Google account, and being logged in gives you access to all your saved work. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and do that to proceed. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see a variety of options, including any recent presentations you've worked on. If you're starting a new presentation, click on the blank presentation option. Alternatively, if you already have a presentation you want to rename or move, open it from the list of recent files displayed. With your presentation open, the next step is to rename it. Move your attention to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see the current title of your presentation. It might be labeled something generic like Untitled Presentation if you haven't named it yet. Click on the title and you'll notice the text becomes editable. Provide a new descriptive title that makes it easy to recognize amidst other files, especially if you have a lot stored on Google Drive. Renaming is done, and now it's time to move the presentation into a folder. On the same toolbar where you found the title, look for an icon labeled Move and click it. A new window will appear displaying your Google Drive structure. Here you can navigate through your existing folders. Click on My Drive to access the complete directory. If you already have a specific folder where you'd like to move your presentation, simply navigate to it. If not, you can easily create a new one by clicking the New Folder button, typing a suitable name for your folder, and hitting Create. Once you have the desired folder selected, click the Move button and your presentation will be transferred immediately. And additionally, moving your presentation into a folder makes it easier to share with collaborators because you can share the folder directly rather than individual files. You can also color code your folders in Google Drive to visually differentiate types of projects, which adds another layer of organization. Another tip is to create subfolders within main project folders if you work on multiple versions or drafts of the same presentation. Keeping your files organized reduces the chances of accidentally editing the wrong version and saves time when retrieving past presentations. And that's it. You've now successfully renamed and relocated your Google Slides presentation into a folder. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.